Let's see, what do we have here? Some LED bulbs. I'm pretty sure you guys know where they're going in. So let's get to it. Okay guys, LEDs is the easiest thing you can install on a vehicle. These yellow lights, I'm not too happy with that. You can see some bugs in that one. Shit, let's peel these off and I'll bring you guys right back. Okay, we're gonna start this back light first. It was real easy to get out. As you see, it has the fuse type. Oh, it's hot. I'm gonna keep it around just in case, you know, somebody else might need one. And here are the LEDs. They look a little bit shorter. Look like. It's shorter, but it's gonna work. Trust me. Point it down towards the shindig. Okay, so I went ahead and pulled out this fuse type LED, well, standard bulb, and replaced one of these LED bulbs. The results is, if I can find out how to turn it on. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but it's bright white. I had to come back at nighttime and show you guys that, but I'm gonna go ahead and pull this whole little piece down and replace these bulbs inside here. I'm not gonna show you guys that just in case I break something. I don't want to be embarrassed on camera. Okay, so I got it hanging out. It's just a clip right here that all I gotta do is pull it down with. But there's a fuse type in the middle, and there's two bulbs on each end. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull those out like so. Oh, fuck you, light. There we go. Pull those out. They match up the same as you can. I'm not sure you can see. But let me throw these bulbs in and I'll show you guys the finished product. Okay, with this bulb that was in the middle, as you can see here, my bulbs are way too small, so I had to go dig in the vault and pull out my little extension with the LED strip. I hope these still work. If not, I'm not gonna put the one back in just so I won't throw it off. So let's go ahead and put these in real quick. Okay, for some reason the bulbs on here and here aren't cutting on. It's kind of got me stumped. And I know it's some ground prongs in there and whatnot, but it's not doing anything for me, so I'm gonna just pull them out and use them for something else because I'm not sure why it's not working. So I'm gonna pull them out and put them somewhere else. So I just replaced the tag light ones, and let's see how well those work. Looking good too. Guess we can throw these bad boys away because they didn't work at all. I'll show you guys more of this at nighttime. You really can't see them right now. Oh, I forgot the LED reverse lights. I gotta buy some of those too. And these little guys inside the headlights that are always running, they've been getting on my nerve. So hopefully these replaces these. So let me get to this. I'm gonna start on this side right quick. And hopefully, you know, it's that. And the LEDs are in. Let's see what they look like with those HIDs. Well, you know what? Let's wait till nighttime so you guys can really see it. Man, it's been 2 days and I still forgot to record this for you guys at nighttime. So I'm gonna go ahead and record it now while it's a little dark outside so you guys can get a drift of how it looks. Okay. We installed this one. The problem with these sockets is this stuff is not grounded right. Yeah. Anywho, it's gonna get fixed. But I'm waiting on the bulb, the actual size of that to come in like this one, so it'll be this bright white color. Let's try to get up and get the outside bulbs that I also put in. Also, there's two more in here. There's one down here and one down there. I'm also getting. I'm waiting on which to send all my stuff. Shit. Are the tag lights on? Yes. You can get LED lights in the tag lights also, which will be super bright at nighttime. And the yellow lights still in the front. Also gone. You can see that. I'm gonna cut the HIDs on to complement those. because that will look 10 times better riding down the road than super bright HIDs and these yellow things that was in there. So that will look 10 times better. I'm gonna see if I can find some ones to match the blue of this one. Might be hard to do, but I'm gonna try. Let's get this side, because this side's always brighter. Yeah, that look good. So, appreciate you guys checking out this video, and have a nice day.